an American Fork man charged with murder after claiming he shot and killed his sister's estranged husband in self-defense is in court.
We go to news specialist Kara Bracken, who is joining us live outside the courthouse. So, Kara, what's happened so far in this case?
Sheriff Tamara, we've been inside of the courtroom. It started around 9 o'clock, the hearing. Now, first we heard from a detective who was working the night Matthew Rastelli was killed.
I entered the residence in the front room. I observed several empty shell casings on the floor. I then observed a deceased body in the hallway.
Within all these moving parts, you've got Kevin Ellis, who's been charged with murder for killing Rastelli, as well as Rastelli's wife, Catherine, and Catherine's mom, Tracy. Today's focus is on Ellis, who's accused of pulling the trigger. However, we heard multiple conversations, including text threads between Catherine and Tracy leading up to the shooting, as well as phone conversations between Catherine and Rastelli. Catherine and Tracy were charged back in November of 2024 with murder too, accused of working together with Ellis in the plot to kill Rastelli. One key conversation we heard included the pushback between Catherine and Rastelli, where having been in Utah for several weeks, he wanted her to get a rental car and return to California. Convincing him she couldn't rent a car, he got behind the wheel and came to Utah. Because of Apple AirTags tracking devices in his vehicle, Rastelli and her family monitored her husband's progress. The shooting later happened.
That's a big ask.
I could pay her. Do you know anyone that would let me borrow their car? Safely?
The American Fork police officer and detective who was there the night Rastelli was killed was the only one to take the stand today while we were in the courtroom. He was also the one reading the text threads. Now, as this was a preliminary case, from here, pending what the judge decides, will then mean that this is ready to head to trial. For now, reporting live in Provo, I'm Kara Bracken. Back to you.
Much more to go. Kara, thank you for that report.